Okay, this is the condensing unit. It's over on the side of the garage, over by the electric meter and such. Okay, this is the electric disconnect. It's over to the side, and it's been sealed so that we can't really get a good look inside of it. It is what it is. This is our, and it will not reset. What's that about? Reset? We can't reset our electric service receptacle outlet. The electric service receptacle outlet will not reset, and the disconnect box is sealed. Over here we're reading that it's a 2-year-old system. Up here, I mean, that was when it was manufactured, its birth date. The 5-ton system uses 410A, requires 45 amps, the 14.5 SEER at a minimum. Okay, so our condensing unit, train. Now what we've got over here, look at this, is they used a lot of sealant to protect this insulation. But painting the insulation like this, that does not meet the energy requirements. Okay? It's nice that they put this sealant, but the sealant, it shrinks and it cracks with age. They should have a more durable insulation on the low pressure refrigerant line piping.